help you find the little lamb. Don't be sad.
Don't be sad.
Let's start searching. We'll stay together. Look at these little footprints. Let's follow them. They look fresh. We're on the right path. Have you seen our little lamb? Please help us.
We're looking everywhere.
Can you show us the way? Thank you, little rabbits. Let's keep going. The forest looks beautiful. Maybe the lamb is there. Hello, little squirrels. Did you see our friend? Thank you for helping. Let's ride to the lake.
Point the forest trail. Happy squirrels wag their tails.
The water sparkles. Keep looking. The bridge is amazing. We're getting closer. Have you seen the lamb? Thank you, little ducks. Let's hurry. We're almost there. The birds know the way. Follow them. They're flying this way. Let's ride faster. We found you. Everyone missed you. You're safe now. Let's go home. Lois, green it. Wow, lunch is glass. Boss! What a wonderful party! Everyone is smiling. This is so much fun. Let's dance together. We'll visit again soon. Goodbye, friends. Thank you for the adventure. See you next time.